Greetings and Happy New Year. Thank you for looking at our new newsletter for January and February of 2012. This is Our Lady of Holy Hill Assembly, 1667 of West Bend, Wisconsin. Please, read on. This is the Faithful Navigators page. Richard Zautcke was elected the new Faithful Navigator in November 2011 after the untimely death of Sir Knight Norman Yankee. Here I introduce myself to you and give a brief personal history. The Faithful Friars Report. In this newsletter, Father Don Brick was unable to submit a report. Hopefully, our next newsletter, Father Don will have something to be submitted. Please continue to pray for our priests. The Turkey Bingo and Social Hour was, as usual, a big success. Around 103 people were for the dinner, and 98 played bingo. Some folks even went home with 2 turkeys. A fun time was had by all in the attendees. Sir Knight Bob Fleischman did the bingo calling, and I would like to give him a special thank you, along with all the other Sir Knights that made this event a great success. Thank you. Now comes December, and we had the past Navigators Ball along with the Assembly's Christmas party. Present was the Area 3 Coordinator, Sir Knight Mark Wagner, and his lovely lady Sandra. Many past Navigators were here, including those from the Fond du Lac Assembly. Many thanks for their attendance. For more information on the party, check us out on YouTube, West Bend Assembly 1677, or see us on Facebook, Knights of Columbus, West Bend Assembly, 1677. We even had some Knights sing along with the band, carol on the keynotes. A great meal followed by good music. Life just doesn't get much better. Next, we had the 4th Degree raffle ticket. This is a vital part of the 4th Degree organization that helps set off the cost of the exemplification ceremony. We need your help. So please, send those tickets in, and maybe you may be a $1,500 winner, or a $1,000 winner, or maybe a $500 winner. And there will be 16 people going home with $100 each. So think positive, and maybe you will be the next big winner. As you know, come January, our faithful comptroller, Sir Knight Jim Hopp, will be collecting the 2012 yearly dues. So get them in early and make Sir Knight Jim Hopp's job easier. He thanks you in advance for your consideration. There's something new this year, and that is the refrigerator magnet section. To keep this close by you as a friendly reminder of the important events, assembly events, for the next 6 months. I hope it will be helpful for you. The dinner reservations section is here, another type of refrigerator magnet placement to give you that friendly reminder that our faithful purser, Sir Knight Ron Morgan, needs your help in getting those dinner reservations in before the meeting. Please help Sir Knight Ron Morgan and the caterer have an accurate attendance and meal count. Your cooperation would be greatly appreciated. These are the names of the Sir Knights that passed on in the 2011 calendar year to our glorious Maker. Please keep them in your prayers and all deceased Knights of Columbus members. For the good of the order, please pray for our Pope, bishops, priests, and seminarians, for all our vets that serve and protect this great nation of ours, and for our members that are sick or recovering from illness. Let us pray for them all too. The calendar of events is another type of friendly reminder that can be used as a refrigerator magnet to let you know of the important events like Valentine's and Ash Wednesday and other important dates. Also keep in mind to ask someone in your third-degree council to become a fourth-degree member. Remember, it all starts with you. Keep that form always in your back pocket and have the prospective candidate fill out the paperwork and send it in. In closing, I have listed the Assembly officers. Remember, if you have an idea or something the Assembly should be doing, call me. My number is 262-644-2062 or email me at rzautke@charter.net or just come up to me and let's talk. I hope you enjoyed reading the newsletter as much as I enjoyed speaking to you today. So have a great day. And my name is Richard Zautcke, Faithful Navigator, West Bend Assembly, 1677, in the great state of Wisconsin.